Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to book flights using Capital One Miles. Now all you gotta do first is to go onto their official website. And now from here, we can choose a location where you wanted to start the flight from and where to. You can also add a specific information of the travelers and also book a trip. From here, you can also add a departure and a date. And then after that, select on search for flights. And now from here, we've already found the specific flights that we want. It is from the PDX to Honolulu. Now all you gotta do is to select a specific date, including the price and the cashback that you'll get directly from your cashback card. And then after that, we can see here that there are different kinds of direct flights. They have a 7 a.m., 12:30, and a 6 p.m. You can either choose a specific flights that you want and you'll be able to have a lowest fares using your card. Those are the benefits if you subscribe on a different kind of cards like a premium one or a Venture X. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.